Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm in Oklahoma City at my cousin's house.
Hi.
This is my cousin Sofia, and what are we going to be making?
Sparkling strawberry lemonade.
Today we're going to show you how to make a strawberry sparkling lemonade. Really yummy and really easy to do.
If we can do it, you can do it.
Let's get started. And for the ingredients we have
1 cup of lemon juice, 6 cups of sparkling water, 2 cups of sugar, about 2 cups of water.
And we're using filtered water. If you have really good tap water, you can use that, but we're using filtered water.
About 2 cups of strawberries.
And then we have just some sliced strawberries that we're going to use just to float on the top. So now we want to start by making a simple syrup. So we're going to take our pot, and Sophia, if you want to pour in the sugar, we'll just put all of our sugar in the pot. There we go. And then we'll pour in the water. And we'll take it over to the stove and we're going to heat this up until the sugar dissolves. And then we're going to stir periodically until the sugar melts. Alright, our water is boiled and the sugar has completely dissolved. We'll take it off the heat. And then we want to just let the liquid cool down until it's room temperature. And if you're in a hurry, you can put it in the freezer or in the fridge so it'll cool quicker. Alright, once our simple syrup has cooled, let's pour some in a blender or a food processor, about a half a cup worth. And then we're going to add our strawberries. Let's go ahead and add those in there. Alright. And then we will put this on. And we'll just pulse. We'll turn it on. We'll pulse. And then just blend it until it's smooth, 20 seconds or so. Alright, so now we're going to take whatever serving dish we're going to put this in. This is a lot bigger than the amount that we have, but that's what we're going to use. And we'll pour in our mixture of strawberry. And we'll do our simple syrup. Go ahead and do that.
Do our sparkling water.
Oh yeah. And then our lemon juice. And then now you're going to want to add ice to it, but do that at the very last moment. You might want to just do crushed ice to individual glasses, or you could add ice to this, like about halfway, but just do it right before you serve it. Otherwise the ice is going to melt and it's going to dilute it. And the next is come in here, we'll just stir it all. And then depending on how many of these little slices, just kind of they'll float on the top and just make it look kind of nice. And you can put as many as you want of those. Alright, that's how you make sparkling strawberry lemonade. Really easy to do.
If we can do it, you can do it.
I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining us. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Time for us to dive into this. Oh yeah.